He doesn't look at that thing. Don't press the button. What was this? This is loud. What's pressing the button? Flipping table? Oh, I never heard about this. Table! Table! Whoa, this is so much fun. Get out of here, table! Take this! Oh my god! Woo-hoo! This is so much fun! I like flipping tables. What the frick? What the frick I did do? I pressed the button, sorry. I'm firing my laser. Where did you get from? Have you? What's there, a table? The cake is alive? I pressed the button. Someone else? No. What? Hey, yo. What the? Why are you turning like this? What are you doing? It's not funny. It's not fun. Oh no, this girl wins. But am I stuck? Uh-oh, this gonna go to Bing Gun. That's one thing. Quick. Yes. It's red. No. Let's go to red. Oh, I'm gonna stay here forever. Thumbs up. Wow. Green? I'm staying. Wow. Well, yes. I survived. Finally. Let's press it. No, water spinner. We can lose. I am surviving. Finally. Yes! I survived the lava spitter. That was harder. So, look, it's raining, Doghead. It's raining. Oh no, it's raining, Doghead. Oh my, it's squashing. Hey, no, please don't turn off. No. Finally. We're at space and there's a dog here. Well, there's a dog over there. And we're floating. Nice. My favorite. What you mean, bacon? I pressed it. Again. Seriously? It's again. It's me, Mario. Kitty? Hello? Kitty? 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 What are you doing, Kitty? Are you stupid? You're the worst. I pressed it. No. Oh, man. is this? I'm gonna get an epic dunk. Stop it! What's this? What is happening right there? Nobody survived. Oh no, this is the worst. But I still have my job. Oh, this is Fortnite. Are you okay? Did you have these slapped by bowling basics? Oh, hey, why did I do this? This is my favorite thing. Super speed. Look at the world. It's how be growing up. Now it will be little. Now it will be back to little. Someone fell. Whoa, Michael. Okay. Oh, Kitty is a noob. What? Okay. He don't have to kill me. Okay, I fell on my dock again. Wait, how did this guy have win? No. Okay, interesting. I hate the battle. Finally, coin! Coin! What? I need coin! What up? What was that? What? Oh my, how did he get behind me? How did he get in here? So, wait, I'm back! I'm back here? So be careful, guys, not to try to survive this bomb. What is happening? Why everything is exploding? The lava? Man. Come on. Yes, doing better. Better. No! Oh, this is so many hard things I hate. Cool. Tsunami? This is dangerous. I wish I could survive this. It's here now. Are you serious? It's not going fast. But better, it's better. No. Oh. Go, boys. like. But already I like it.